In a quiet town, an old typewriter mysteriously appeared in an antique shop. The owner, Mr. Johnson, decided to display it in the window, hoping to attract curious buyers. Little did he know, the typewriter had a dark secret. Late at night, the typewriter began to click and clack on its own, crafting horrifying tales of unspeakable horror. The stories it typed were so vivid and chilling that they felt real. The townspeople dismissed it as a mere novelty until the stories started coming true. Each tale unfolded in chilling detail, leaving a trail of fear and despair in its wake. People whispered about the cursed typewriter, and some even claimed to have seen ghostly figures lurking around it. Mr. Johnson tried to get rid of the typewriter, but it always found its way back to the shop. As the terrifying stories continued to materialize, the town fell into a grip of terror. No one knew how to stop the haunted typewriter from weaving its dreadful tales, and the once peaceful town became a place of nightmares, all thanks to the old typewriter's ominous gift.